My name's Sara and I live in Montevideo, Minnesota. So during my pregnancy, the lactation team here at CCM Health offered a breastfeeding course for expecting parents, and that was really exciting to see how many moms in the area were going to try breastfeeding for the first time and utilize the services here. And then throughout my pregnancy, I got to meet with the lactation team here at the clinic a few times. And then postpartum, I worked with them quite a bit. With my firstborn, we had some issues with latch and just making sure that he was gaining enough weight right away. So we met with them, did some weighted feeds, and they were able to help me with some different positions for breastfeeding and just make sure that he was getting enough, whether that was from bottle or from nursing. I felt super confident breastfeeding after working with the lactation consultants. I ended up breastfeeding my firstborn for about 18 months after a little bit of a bumpy start, but it was great, smooth sailing the rest of the journey. And then I'm currently postpartum with my second, and we've been breastfeeding now for about 4 months, and we've been able to use the lactation services here a couple times as well, and just, yeah, feeling great about it this time around too. So my first baby had a painful, shallow latch, and we were able to come in and work on some different positioning, as well as learning more about pumping and bottle feeding, just to ensure that he was getting enough milk. And then we were able to continue nursing throughout that to make sure that we were able to have a long journey with our breastfeeding. The easy access to lactation services made it super easy to choose CCM Health for our care here. And we really appreciated how passionate the lactation team is about educating and just normalizing breastfeeding. The lactation support team was super accessible, whether it was in clinic, over my chart messages, or even the phone. If I had to choose one word to describe the lactation support team, I would say understanding. A lot of them are moms themselves that have gone through their own breastfeeding journey, so it's firsthand experience that you're getting as well as their professional input. I would definitely recommend CCM Health's lactation support team. I would just say that breastfeeding is hard, so having the education behind it is really important to make sure that you have a successful journey. And the lactation team is definitely cheering you on the whole way to make sure that you have a successful story.